Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Friday, the 28th of February. Looking at our homework, we've got Alex Packet number 2, which is going to be due next Friday, March 6th in math. Please do not wait until next Thursday to start this. We can work on it over the weekend. If you have questions, you can come in and ask myself or Mrs. Cap. We also have practice 8.7. It appears for honors math. In science, we need to review for our energy quiz, as we will have our energy quiz on Monday. Please make sure you're studying your flip notes. In social studies, there is no homework. Next week, we'll be doing ancient China with Miss Smith. In language arts, there's no homework as well. Mr. Webster is going to be taking over doing teaching persuasive writing next week. Also, we have test prep number 2. That is for our honor or for a regular class, and test prep number 1. That is due Monday if you don't have that done for literature. Remember, our yearbook order forms you can order online. Tomorrow is the last day to get the special early bird discount. Everyone, enjoy Leap Day tomorrow, as this is a leap year, and we will see everybody in the month of March. Take care and have a great weekend.